Alright, what's he doing now, Joe?
Well, he's going to do a program I made for my Scoutmaster.
What's your Scoutmaster's name?
Bill.
Bill. This is for Bill.
Bill.
He's not going to run into me, is he?
No. He shouldn't.
Hey, Rover. You can stop now. You made him go a long ways.
Hi, my name's Rover. Hi, man.
Dang it.
What?
Are you supposed to do that?
I put a house at the end of the program. If you do that, he does it backwards and then he goes back to the starting point.
And there he goes.
Back another 15 feet.
There goes Rover.
Woo!
Nice job, Bill.
Oink, oink, woo!